What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow. All the channel links are on the about section. So let's get to unboxing this. So this is of course, the unboxing on the saddlebags that I bought from KEMIMOTO. They're the black saddlebags. Cost me about $110 plus tax on Amazon. Look in the description for the link to Amazon where I bought it. If you guys hear anything in the background, those are family members. And that squealing is probably one of the dogs that we have here. So, alright, so there's my motorcycle right there. So I'm gonna figure out whether I have to, it goes underneath the seat, right? So I disconnect it after I tie like the ropes on the other side of the saddlebags or underneath it. Make sure that when I put it underneath the seat, it pretty much lines up right there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need to buy like another installment kit thing so I could put the saddlebags there, or if I could just put it over. I'll figure that out later. But let's get to the unboxing. It's pretty fucking cold in here.
Right.
I'm making that YouTube video and you're interrupting.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
That fucking arc thrower is awesome.
Yep, hell divers. Oh, okay. There we go. There's that part. And this flap right here. Alright, bunch of trash. And then the other side. Wonder what it comes with. So you could unclip it from here to here to open up. Let's check to see what's inside. Yeah, so I'm using my legs to hold on to the thing. I'm doing this one-handed. So here's some rope. I'm guessing instructions. Nothing else in it. This is like 30-liter bag. It has like an inside a zipper, like unzip it and you can put stuff in there as well. Let's see if this one has anything in it. So one of the bags has the ropes and shit that you need. Yep, another one doesn't have anything except poison. Some poison. Better put that away. Got children and dogs in this house. Alright. Apologize, you guys, for this more awful video recording. There we go. So that's how it's gonna look like. Gonna put it on there. Apparently, nope, it's not gonna touch the exhaust pipe. So let's see. And let's see. Is it too big? It kind of hits on the tail light right here. I think it'll be all right. right there. And it'll be on both sides too, so now I could carry shit. If I want to go get some McDonald's or something, fill it up with some McDoubles, McChickens, or other stuff, tools. I already have like a tool thing. I could have gotten the KEMIMOTO one, but this one already has one. So you could buy one of these tool bags as well from KEMIMOTO. Just search it up. But this one already had one when I got the motorcycle. But yeah, guys, that's it. These two things cost me $110 plus tax. And that's it for this unboxing video. Give me them likes, dislikes, comments down below. And until next time, you guys, thanks for watching.